EVS में क्वेश्चन आंसर सुना मैं।
Tick the correct option. Cooking make food easy to.
Both eat or digest.
Dash can be eaten raw.
Tomato.
Dash are cooked in hot oil.
Puri.
Dash kill germs.
Boiling.
Dash is a stove that use sunlight to cook food.
Solar cooker.
Fill in the blanks. Applying heat to food is called dash.
Cooking.
Cooking food over direct heat or in an oven is called
Roasting.
In some village, people use brass and dash pot to cook food. In some village, people use dash and dash pot to cook food.
Clay or brass.
Bread and cake are dash in and
Baking.
dash means to cook food
Steaming.
Complete the following columns. Dash in village.
क्या?
In village, people type of a stove or type of food. In village.
In village. और इसमें चूल्हा wood.
In cities.
In cities gas stove or gas.
Answer the following question. What is cooking?
What is cooking? Applying to food heat is called cooking.
Write two benefit of cooked food.
Cooking food make food tastier. Cooking food to easier digest.
What different kind of vessels do we use?
In village people use chulha and tandoor.
What different kind of vessels पूछ रहे हैं?
We use different kinds of vessels for cooking.
What kind of vessel were used by the people earlier?
Earlier people used to cook food in vessels made of brass and clay.
What fuel are used to put fire in chulhas and tandoors?
Chulha and tandoor. In village people use chulha and tandoor.